Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Samsung Galaxy S26 and S26 Ultra USB not supported error, USB settings and port fix. So fix 1, restart your phone. So press and hold the power button and tap restart. Now after the phone reboot, reconnect the USB device and check if the error message disappear. Fix 2, check the USB-C cable and accessories. So disconnect the USB accessories. Inspect the cable for bends, cuts or loose connector. Try a different USB-C cable and if possible, use an original Samsung cable or adapter. Then test the accessories on another device to confirm its work properly. Fix 3. Clean the USB-C port. So turn off your phone, use a flashlight to inspect the USB-C port. Then carefully remove drift using a soft brush or compressed air and avoid using metal object that could damage the port. Then reconnect the USB device and test again. Fix 4. Check for moisture detection. If moisture is detected in the USB port, Samsung may block USB connection for protection. So disconnect all accessories, power off the phone, allow the USB port to dry completely. Then wipe the port areas with the dry cloth and once dry, turn the phone back on and test the connection. The fix 5. Clear USB settings data. So open the settings, then click on app. Now tap the filter or sort icon and enable show system app and search for USB settings or USB setting. Then tap storage. Now select clear cache and clear data. Then restart the phone and reconnect the USB device. The fix 6, check USB connection mode. So connect the phone to a USB device and swipe down from the top of the screen. Now tap the USB notification and select transferring file, the MTV or the appropriate connection mode. Then disconnect and reconnect the accessory. The fix 7, update your phone software. So open the settings, now click on software update and now tap download and install. Then install any available update and restart the phone after the update complete. The fix 8, contact Samsung support. If none of the above fix work, the USB-C port or internal charging circuit may be damaged. So test multiple cables and accessories before seeking service. Backup your data. Then visit a Samsung service center for a hardware inspection. Then bring the USB accessories and cable with you so technician can test the complete setup. So goodbye and thanks for watching.